Hello, and thanks for stopping by SAi TV. 2022 is basically pretty much over, and I can't believe the time has passed by so fast. We had a lot of fun, and I thank you for tuning in for some or all of the episodes we have shared with you. It's been an exciting year. We have talked with funders, founders, and so many other people reporting on the field, going on trips around the world, really with the goal of reporting on the space of science communication, informal STEM learning, and really engaging the organizations and experts and those leaders that are running these initiatives to ask interesting questions, to get their take on what's happening, and to forecast as well, so we can provide novel insights to the community. And we really, this year, it was our first sort of foray and formalizing this initiative. It's one of our initiatives within SAi. It plays into one of our goals of increasing visibility of the work that both our residents and more broadly the community is doing. And so we're really excited to be able to do that. And we couldn't do this without the support of donors and many other people. Huge thanks to our staff, our Victoria Gonzalez, who joined the SAi TV crew as a special correspondent, who has made this possible. And I'm really so thankful to all others that have laid a hand in making sure that the channel continues to grow, whether it's comms, the whole staff, the residents who share the videos out loud with everybody. So 2023 is gearing up to be super exciting. We have lots more in store, and we hope to provide new insights and new content. So in this quick snapshot that we'll share up in the following videos, enjoy them. They're both highlights and, of course, bloopers. So enjoy those. And I will see you in the new year, 2023. Let's go.
Hi everyone, my name is Victoria Gonzalez, and I recently joined SAi as a special correspondent for our YouTube channel.
Our main program is our after-school tech club that's geared for kids in the late elementary to middle school, so about ages 8 to 14. We go on site to the school or the youth organization.
STEM education with a place and an inquiry-based approach empowers young children in a way that they become more confident in what they do and how they do it, and they become more independent because they gain, a bunch of skills that are not only at the motor skills level, but also intellectual skills.
The Peers and Pros project is something that I really care about deeply, because we try to incorporate education and nurturing of new talent every year in a different way.
The Peers and Pros project, called Science Surfaces, was a collection of body coverings that serve as canvases for digital prints inspired by biomedical images produced by MIT research labs.
Let's say we got funded, which is exciting news, and being a part of the SAi Fellows program was really what pushed me to write this grant and apply.
The dream of Hydrovia. The dream of Hydrovia is to entirely eliminate food insecurity and to empower impoverished people. And the goal of that is to give them more time, less worries, and it's hopefully going to serve as a bouncing pad for further development in these communities.
Well, that's a pretty interesting question. I think that our main purpose of this group is to give the people the power to be empowered of their birds, because Colombia is the #1 country in terms of bird species.
Here. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me?
Hi there, testing.
Really excited to tell you about this stuff. 22. And I look forward to telling you more about some of the Good day. My name is Fanuel and welcome to SAi TV.
We want that they, by experienced science, doing a little bit of science with a scientist from Colombia who also is like them, they see inspiration, they see a role model, a different role
But
model.
I think another really big barrier that exists is that if you're trying to publish in a non-native language, for an academic paper, the level of English that you would need is so much higher than anything else. So to be able to translate something from your native language to a non-native language, such as English, takes, first of all, a lot of time and effort that could be spent doing your own research. For example, if you're a graduate student or a postdoc or even a faculty member. And it also costs a couple of $1,000s to translate.
Tell ourselves that we're making jefas, and jefas meaning boss in Spanish, right? So we're trying to make women like leaders within the tech industry. So I focus on mostly the programming side. So we currently just launched a mentorship program. So we have a structure that is in cohorts.
Consider as a nonprofit leader or as a business leader is you have to be mindful with understanding what's happening in the economy. So you have to always be in alignment with what is happening economically now and what is being projected for the future.
We are bridging the gap in two ways. The first one is to encourage the community to feel part of the scientific process. That means we go to the field with them, we describe what we are doing, we explain why the research has to be done and the impact it will have on.
Yeah, it's a bit of both. I think that we look for areas that might be a little bit of a museum desert. So, Manhattan has 85 museums, and the Bronx, which has a similar sized population but is a poorer borough, has about 8. So when we put one of our science museums in the lobby of a public hospital there, we became the first and only science museum in the Bronx.
Girls, our mission is to inspire confidence, excitement, and literacy in STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, for girls and gender expansive youth, particularly from underrepresented communities. And we do this by providing free, hands-on, experiential, participatory programs, and by maximizing meaningful relationships with women STEM mentors.
Even more important is when people connect to us and they say that they are teachers from outside Bogota in a small region, and they are connected with our initiative.
Yo sé que te gusta.
From Bogota, my name is Fanuel. This is SAi TV.